guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new wig and I am really excited about this wig. I've seen it a few times and I just couldn't wait to give it a try. So this wig does come from Klaiyi, and this is their brand new magic dual purpose 2-in-1 lace wig. So one side of the wig you got your dark brown, you got your auburn highlight streaks, and then when you flip it over, yes, you have that honey blonde auburn streaks look. So essentially, this is a 2-in-1 wig. You get two styles in one, so you are saving time, you are saving money, and if your man wants to talk to somebody else, girl, just flip over that wig and say, hey, what's up? It's a new girl. So as you can see, you do have that pre-cut lace. You do have the 4x4-inch lace closure with two combs on each side of that, and then when you flip it over, you do have the 4x1-inch parting space with two combs located directly on the lace. And once again, the lace is pre-cut, pre-bleached. You do have the C-shaped, ear-shaped design on each side of the wig with drawstring, so you can get a nice custom fit, and it's nice and comfortable, and it's tucked right behind your ears, so you don't have to worry about it sticking out. So here is the wig. I went ahead and I placed it on my canvas block, and I did hit it with the flat iron off camera. You guys can see exactly how this wig looks. The darker side does have streaks and kind of like an ombre effect. Now this wig is styled in a curved part, but you can reposition the part to make it a middle part to switch up the position of the part. Now I am just using my Ebin lace spray, and I just went ahead and sprayed it all over the lace to where I can get a nice blendable match with my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and this wig is 100% glueless, so no need to use any adhesives, any tapes, any glues. With the drawstring tucked behind the ears, you can adjust the fit of the wig, so therefore you don't have to worry about it coming off or anything like that. Now I do want to add some baby hairs just for design, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a little bit of hair, cut that down and swoop that, just to kind of give it a nice little baby hair look. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my wax stick to the very top of the wig and just hit it with my hot comb just to smooth everything out so it looks nice and flat. And okay, this is what this wig looks like. I am in love with the color. Like, this is so perfect for fall. I just love it. That's what drew me to this wig in the first place, was the color. I just love the little pop of highlighted blonde in the very back. It kind of has like that ombre effect. Now my wig is 22 inches long. It is in that Yaki straight texture. It hits right at my waist, so you guys can see where it hits on me. And I love the look of this hair. It looks like a fresh silk press. This is what this lace looks like. No glue at all. You can definitely snatch it off, flip it right back to the other side, and you're ready to go. You guys can see I do not have it glued down or anything like that, but just the feel of this hair is so soft. It feels like a silk press. Feels like when I get my hair silk pressed. I love the flow of this hair, just like the color. Now this wig isn't perfect, okay? There were a few issues that I had with the wig, but for the most part, for this to be the first of its kind, I really like it. So here are the drawstrings right behind the ear. You can just go ahead and adjust it so you can get a nice comfortable fit. And I like to just sort of tuck it inside of the wig right behind my ear, so therefore it's out the way. But I found that that was a really clever spot to put it, because I'm so used to the drawstrings being in the very back of the wig. But because of the fact that this is a 2-in-1 wig, you can just have it right there on the side of the wig, no issues at all. Now you guys can just see this color. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color. I just cannot get enough of it. But let's say your man wants to talk to somebody else. Bro, I got you. Y'all watch this. Y'all hold on, give me a minute. And y'all know I have to pull out some baby hairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out just a little bit and do a little swoop. Gonna take this black root concealer and just place it right at the roots, just to give it like that grown out bleached look. And just like that, we have another style. So y'all, if your man was like, I want to talk to somebody else, bam, just go ahead, flip over the wig and just be like, what up? I don't know where Elise went. I don't know where she went, but it's Leslie. But this is what this wig is looking like. You do get a decent amount of parting space, and it totally looks like a standard regular lace wig. Super, super beautiful. The movement, the color, the streaks, you kind of have like that honey blonde with a darker color. Y'all, I am just really liking this wig. You guys let me know what style you prefer more. Do you like the darker color? Do you like the lighter color? And will you be picking this up for yourself to give it a shot? They also have a curly texture that's red and black. So you flip it over, get the red color. Super gorgeous. But y'all let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.